In this video, I'll show you some Windows 11 settings you may want to change now. These are simple settings that can make Windows feel cleaner, less annoying, and easier to use. First, let's turn off unnecessary startup apps. Right-click the Start button, then click Task Manager. Go to Startup Apps. This shows apps that can open automatically when you sign into Windows. Look through the list and find anything you don't need opening every time your PC starts. Click the app, then click Disable. This can help your computer start up faster, especially if you have lots of apps running in the background. Next, let's show file name extensions. Open File Explorer. At the top, click View, go to Show, then turn on File Name Extensions. Now you'll be able to see the full file name, including things like .jpg, .png, .pdf, or .exe. This makes it much easier to know what type of file you're actually opening. Next, let's clean up notifications. Open Settings. Click System, then click Notifications. Here you can turn notifications off completely, or you can leave notifications on and turn off alerts from specific apps. Scroll through the app list and disable anything you don't really need. This helps stop random pop-ups while you're working, editing, gaming, or recording your screen. Next, let's remove widgets from the taskbar if you don't use them. Right-click an empty space on the taskbar, then click Taskbar Settings. Under Taskbar Items, look for Widgets. Turn Widgets off. This removes the Widgets button from the taskbar and gives you a cleaner layout. Next, let's reduce visual effects. Open Settings. Click Accessibility. Then click Visual Effects. Here you can turn off animation effects. You can also turn off transparency effects if you want Windows to feel a bit cleaner and more responsive. This is especially useful on older or slower PCs. Finally, let's check your default apps. Open Settings. Click Apps. Then click Default Apps. Here you can choose which apps open different file types and links. For example, you can change your default browser, video player, photo viewer, or email app. This is useful if Windows keeps opening files in an app you don't want to use. And that's it. Those are some Windows 11 settings you may want to change now. They're simple changes, but they can make Windows feel faster, cleaner, and less distracting.